Updating your Whoop charging cable is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few simple steps. To begin, first ensure you have the correct replacement cable, which can be purchased directly from Whoop or through an authorized retailer. Next, locate the charging dock or clip that your current cable is attached to. Gently pull the old cable out of the dock, taking care not to damage the dock or the surrounding area. If the cable is stuck, do not force it, as this could cause damage to the dock or the cable itself. Now, take the new cable and insert the end that attaches to the charging dock into the dock, making sure it clicks securely into place. Ensure the cable is properly seated and aligned to avoid any issues with charging your Whoop device. Once the new cable is attached to the dock, plug the other end into a power source, such as a wall outlet or a USB port on your computer. Verify that the cable is working correctly by checking that your Whoop device is charging as expected. Best practices for updating your Whoop charging cable include regularly inspecting your cable for signs of wear and tear, and replacing it as needed to prevent any issues with charging your device. It is also a good idea to only use official Whoop charging cables or cables from authorized retailers to ensure compatibility and safety. In addition, when handling your Whoop device and charging cable, be gentle to avoid causing any damage. This includes avoiding bending or pinching the cable, and keeping it away from extreme temperatures or moisture. By following these simple steps and best practices, you can easily update your Whoop charging cable and ensure that your device is always fully charged and ready to use. Remember to always handle your device and charging cable with care, and to only use official or authorized cables to ensure optimal performance and safety.